In this video, we're going to talk about how solar panels work. It's a fascinating process that turns sunlight into electricity, powering our homes and businesses with clean, renewable energy. Let's start with the basics. Solar panels are made up of many smaller units called photovoltaic cells. Photo means light, and voltaic refers to electricity. So these cells are designed to convert light into electrical energy. Each photovoltaic cell is made of a special material called silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. When sunlight hits a solar panel, here's what happens. Photons from the sunlight are absorbed by the silicon in the solar cells. This energy knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms. The solar cell is designed with a positive layer and a negative layer, creating an electric field. This field forces the loose electrons to flow in a certain direction, creating an electric current. Metal conductive plates on the sides of the cell collect these electrons and transfer them to wires. These wires allow the electrons to flow like any other source of electricity. Now, the electricity produced by a single solar cell is quite small. That's why we group many cells together to form a solar panel and then combine multiple panels into a solar array. This way, we can generate a useful amount of electricity. But there's a catch. The electricity produced by solar panels is direct current, or DC. Most of our household appliances use alternating current, or AC. That's where an inverter comes in. The inverter converts the DC electricity from your solar panels into AC electricity that can power your home. Any excess electricity your system produces can be fed back into the power grid, potentially earning you credits on your electricity bill. This is known as net metering. It's also worth noting that solar panels don't need direct sunlight to work. They can still generate electricity on cloudy days, although their efficiency is reduced. Solar technology is constantly improving. Today's solar panels are more efficient and affordable than ever before, making solar energy an increasingly attractive option for homeowners and businesses alike. Ready to learn more about solar? Get a free AI-powered solar savings estimate for your home by tapping the link in the description below. Whether you're just starting to explore solar options or you're ready to see how much you could save, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.